Worksheet 6 for class 9th. The question number 1 is, without actual calculating the cubes, find the value of 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. The question number 1, find the value of 28 cube plus minus 15 cube minus 13 cube. Okay. So by using the formula, if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3abc. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3abc, or the x, y, z. Let x equal to 28, y equal to minus 15, and z equal to minus 13. If x plus y plus z equal to 0 means 28 equal to 0, then the value of 28 cube plus 3 into 28 into minus 15 into equal to 16,380. By using this identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz if x plus y plus z equal to 0. The question number 2, the line segment joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to the half of it. It means it is a midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem, the proof. First, the given. ABC is a triangle in which D and E are the midpoints of the sides AB and AC. Okay. AB and AC midpoints are D and E. To prove DE parallel to BC and DE equal to half of BC. DE parallel to BC and DE equal to half of BC. Construction. Extend DE up to F such that DE equal to EF. It means DE equal to EF. Take. Extend and join CF. And join CF. Now the proof. Proof in triangle ADA. AED and CEF. The first is AE equal to EC because E is the midpoint of AC. DE equal to EF by the construction, and the alternate vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So first AE equal to EC. Given or the midpoints, E is the midpoint, and DE equal to EF by construction. Okay. And the third angle AED equal to angle CEF, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle AED congruent to triangle CEF by SAS congruence criteria. Okay. Now by CPCT. This angle equal to this by CPCT. It means angle DAE equal to angle FCE by CPCT. And the second AD equal to CF. AD equal to CF by CPCT. Okay. The angle A equal to angle C. They are forming alternate angle. Therefore, line AD parallel to CF. If alternate angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Okay, angle DAE and angle FCE are alternate angles and are equal. Therefore, AD parallel to CF. It means BD, the whole line parallel to CF. If AD parallel to CF, it means AB parallel to CF. Okay, BD parallel to CF. Now AD equal to CF and AD equal to BD, because D is the midpoint. Therefore, BD equal to CF. If BD parallel to CF, BD equal to CF, therefore BCFD is a parallelogram. देखिए, BD equal to CF and BD parallel to CF. Therefore, BDCF is a parallelogram. Now it is a parallelogram. It means BC equal to DF. Opposite sides are equal. BC equal to DF. We can write DF equal to 2 times of DE. BC equal to 2 times of DE, or DE equal to half of BC. The first part of the theorem is half of the third side and DE. Second part, BC parallel to DF. Why parallel? Opposite side of sides of parallelogram. Therefore, BC parallel to DE. Okay, hence proved. The midpoint theorem says that the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it, and equal to half of it. Okay. Number 3. In a circle of radius 5 cm, PQ and RS are two parallel chords of length 8 cm and 6 cm. Calculate the distance between the chords if they are on the same side of the center. This is the figure. This is the figure. The radius is 5 cm. Suppose this is also 5, and here is the radius 5 cm. The chord PQ equal to 8 cm and RS equal to 6 cm. The perpendicular distance, yani OA, perpendicular on PQ, and OB perpendicular on RS. The perpendicular distance always bisect the chord. It means AQ equal to half of PQ, means 1 by 2 of 8, 4 cm. And similarly, BS half of RS, 1 by 2 of 6, 3 cm. Now find the distance OA first by using Pythagoras theorem in triangle OAQ. OAQ, it means OQ square equal to OA square plus AQ square. So OQ square is 5 square. We have to find OA square, and AQ is the 4 square. So OA square equal to 25 minus 16, 9. OA equal to 3 cm. Okay. Now find OB in triangle OBS. OS square equal to OB square plus BS square. OS square is the 5. OB square find करना है. BS is 3. Okay. OB square equal to 25 minus 9, 16. Then OB equal to 4 centimeter. Find the distance between them. It means AB. We have to find the distance AB. And AB equal to OB minus OA. 4 minus 3, 1 centimeter. This is the distance between two chords PQ and RS. Question number 4. Construct a right angle triangle whose perimeter is equal to 10 centimeter and one acute angle is equal to 60 degree. Construct a right angle triangle means suppose first we have to draw the perimeter. Perimeter is given that 10 centimeter. Okay. Now make an angle of 90 degree from this side and bisect it. And bisect it means 45 degree. Another angle is 60 degree. Make 60 degree and bisect it 30 degree. Okay. Meet at a point A. This is the vertex of triangle A. Now perpendicular bisect the line AX. From A cut an arc and from perpendicular bisect means from X from A. And now join. Same AY from A from Y, and this is the perpendicular bisector. This. So this point is B. This is the C and join ABC. This is the required triangle. Please see the construction. Okay. Question number 5. The total surface area of cylinder is 462 centimeter square. Its curved surface area is 1/3 of its total surface area. Find the volume of the cylinder. If the total surface area of cylinder equal to 462 centimeter square and curved surface area is 1/3 of total surface area. 1/3 of total surface area. It means 1/3 of 462. It is 154 centimeter square. Okay. Now the formula of TS is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square equal to 462 and 2 pi RH, it means 154. 2 pi RH is given that 154 plus 2 pi R square. CS is given 154, then 2 pi R square equal to 462 minus 154. 308 centimeter square. Now divide by 2 or put the value of pi, find radius. Okay. R square equal to 2 into 22. Cancel by 11. 2, 28. Now cancel by 4. R square equal to 7 into 7 means R equal to 7 centimeter. And find the radius by the using of formula CSA. Height find करेंगे 2 pi R and H 154. H equal to 154 by 2 into 22. Again 11. Now cancel by 7. Height is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 centimeter. Now volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi R square H. Put the values pi R square H. Okay. 7 cancel. 11. Now multiply 77 into 7. 539 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of cylinder. First TSA, then CSA, 1/3 of TSA, and put the values. The last question from probability. Rishu and Nidhi are friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthdays and the same birthday? दो फ्रेंड है, या तो दोनों की डिफरेंट बर्थडे है तो क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी, और सेम डे बर्थडे होगी तो प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी? द फर्स्ट पार्ट, द नंबर ऑफ डेज in which Rishu's birthday will be different from Nidhi. कितने दिन डिफरेंट हो सकती है? 365 days in a year minus 1. एक दिन होगी तो 364. So now the probability equal to 364 divided by 365. अगर दोनों को डिफरेंट डेज में होगी तो प्रोबेबिलिटी है 364 by 365. सेकेंड, number of days in which Rishu and Nidhi have सेम बर्थडे, सेम birthday equal to 1. It means event E2 denote this condition. The probability of second event is 1 by 365. एक ही दिन ऐसा है जिस दिन दोनों की सेम हो सकती है, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 by 365, और डिफरेंट होगी तो 364 by 365.